Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about how we can make a trailing effect in Scratch. So let's start. First of all, so here we are. First of all, I am going to delete this sprite. We can use that sprite also, but I want some another one. Here in search, I am just going to write star. Okay, so here we are. We can change the our sprite size also. See, here you can see the size is written. By default the size is 100, so we can, if we want to make it bigger, we can increase the size. If we want to make our sprite smaller, we can decrease the size. Now just click outside, so you can see the change in the size of sprite. Now let's start the coding part. So first of all, I'm going to take this, going into the looks, I'm just going to take this change color effect by 25. Okay, whenever we will tap on it, you can see there is a change in the color of the sprite. I'm going to take this, and going into the motion, I'm going to take change y by 10, and see, if we click on this, it is moving upward. I'm just going to add this, and see, whenever it is going upward, you can see the color is also changing. Okay, so now I'm going into the control, I'm just taking this repeat, placing it here like this. Okay, place it here like this, and from the same block we are just taking the when I start as a clone, I'm just placing it here, that when I start as a clone, what will happen? Change color effect by 25 and change y by 10. Okay, and then here we need to place this also, delete this clone. So if I click on this, you can see it is moving upward and the color is also changing. Okay, now but the trailing effect is not there. So now I am going to take this by going into the events. I am just taking this when green flag clicked, and going into the motion, I am taking this, go to random position and just tap on it, and instead of random position, I am just clicking on the mouse pointer. Okay, like go to mouse pointer, and next is create clone of myself by going into the like control. Here it is create clone of myself. Okay, and if we click on it, this, what will happen? One clone will get created. Okay, so now I am just taking the forever, going into the control, I am just taking this forever here like this, and just place below this green flag clicked. Now let's see the effect. So wherever like I am moving my sprite with the help of mouse pointer, you can see the trailing effect is there. So like this, you can take any sprite and you can do this trailing effect. Now to make it more like presentable, we can choose any of the background as well. Like here I am taking this simpler one, blue sky 2, and I am just selecting this stage. Okay, after selecting the stage, I am taking this by going into the looks, change color effect by 25. By going into the control, I am taking this forever, and by going into the events, I am just taking this when green flag clicked. So what will happen when I click on the green flag? Like here you can see, now the background is also blinking, and wherever like I am moving my sprite, you can see a trailing effect is there. So it is looking very nice. Instead of star, you can take some other sprite as well. Fine, so hope you all understood this. Okay, so bye everyone, have a nice day.